In this video, I will be showing you how to delete chats on Deepseek AI. Let's get started. To delete your search history on the Deepseek web interface, I first navigate to the top left corner of the page and click on the sidebar toggle icon to open the main menu panel. From here, I can see all of my previous conversations and settings options listed out clearly. I move my cursor down towards the bottom left section of this panel where my profile name is displayed and click directly on it. This action opens up a pop-up sub-menu containing a few account management tools. Among these selections, I click on the Settings option, which instantly launches a centralized settings modal window in the middle of the screen. Within this settings window, the default category selected is General, but I need to access the data controls. So, I look at the left-hand navigation column inside the modal and click on the Data tab. This switches the view to display privacy and data options. Near the bottom of this data view, I locate the field labeled Delete All Chats, which features a prominent red button next to it that says Delete All. I click on this button to proceed. A confirmation dialog box immediately pops up to verify my choice, warning me that all chats will be cleared and cannot be recovered. Since I want to proceed, I click on the red Delete All Chats button inside this small pop-up window. A green notification capsule briefly appears at the top center of the screen confirming it was successfully deleted. I then move my cursor to the top right corner of the main settings box and click the close icon to return to the Clean Home dashboard, which now displays a completely empty sidebar with a message stating that there is no chat history. Now, to show how you can start fresh and type out a brand new request, I click inside the main input box labeled Message Deepseek and enter a prompt. I type out the question, "What are the most important digital skills that employers look for today?" Once the text is fully typed, I click on the blue arrow Send button located on the right side of the input field. The AI immediately begins processing the prompt, performing an automated web search across multiple web pages to gather the latest information. After completing the quick search, the interface populates with a well-structured, comprehensive answer broken down into key skill categories like AI literacy, data analytics, and core technical foundations, followed by details about human-in-the-loop skills and quality control. I can smoothly scroll down the page to read through the entire generated text response from top to bottom, ensuring all the points are clear and easy to follow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.